Hello and welcome back again to my channel. So January 2025, new year, new start, and active start, inshallah. So and many people asking this question everywhere in many different platforms, how to sell digital products. Okay, so that's assuming you have already digital product. Okay, if not, stay to the end. I'm gonna show you some way you can create a digital product or buy a ready-made one, which known as PLR or master resale right. Okay. So this platform is one of the most good platform, but let me leave it to the last, okay? Now, first platform was free, but now is not free anymore, okay? Because surprisingly, because I remember knowing that Pensight was free, unless my memory is not just right, you know what I mean? And it was not free tier, then Pensight they start charging for 29. So I would say Stan Store as well. These two is very identical. But the feature is almost the same, right? They're both easy to use, okay? User friendly and drag and drop, all of that. I'll give it that, okay? Now with Pinterest, however, no Pensight, you can start with 7 days free, no payment due now, 20% off when you subscribe here in the plan, okay? So good. Let's see the features before we give it a judge, okay? So you got all of this, okay? Payment plan, Plana, special payment. Dream for course, okay? Be what you want. This one of the one I recommend in the end, don't have it, but well, if you are sure what you want to sell, you don't need to just let anyone pay what you want. That's why they can just say zero, right? Now, accelerated payouts. Custom intake forms, marketing, okay? For email broadcast, email automation. So all that is good for $29, guys, if you start for monthly. But if you start for year, you get 20% off. The price are similar to the one I'm coming at the end, okay? Upsell and funnels, same. Use the own affiliate program, same. But this one, I'm not sure how it really works. So I'm gonna do 7 days trial to make a video about it and I'll tell you more about it, okay? Now, the list goes on. They keep in mind they have two-tier plan. Okay, private known, Outlook integration, very beautiful Gmail calendar integration. Okay, analytic. Now, what's gonna stop is the growth support. So, supplementary product. What can you call? So this is extra, like when it's mentorship, like if you want this business for scaling, right? Now, the second platform is Gumroad. As down, Gumroad, you can list any digital product, audio, anything. Okay, I'm gonna show you how what kind of product you can list. So if you go to business, look all this business now. Let's say all business. So see, many people have in here. If you're selling Notion templates, if you're selling Canva templates, if you're selling ebooks, okay, whatever you want to sell, you can sell it here. So the pricing for this Gumroad is simple transparent pricing, which is 10% plus 50%, 50 cents per transaction or sales, okay? And they will take 30% through Discover Marketplace. So what's Discover Marketplace? Basically, you list a product now. Gumroad, they do the hard work. They list your product to be higher, to be visible, especially if you are related to the keywords or the title description what the customer looking for. Then the Gumroad will take 30% instead of the 10%. Okay. Now let's go to the dashboard. Quick, I have quick overview of what it looks like. Now let's say I want to list a new product. So we're gonna go to products. I see some it's for me it's good as lead magnet now. Okay, I've not made some significant sales, but I get some a lot of leads in there. At least 20 within short period of time. Every month I get between 5 to 10 leads, and I've listed only a few products for free, obviously. So if you are using it for as lead magnet machine, then go ahead for it. It's very perfect. Great as many products you can to even get more leads. Okay, now you click on new product, you give it a title. Okay, digital bar. See here you go. Any set of files to download the Steam. Usually go with this one. But if you have and specifically for ebook, then you go for this option. Membership, you go for this one. So this will charge monthly for the users. Okay, course tutorial. So you can sell a single lesson or teach a whole course short student. I have not tried all these. Okay, usually I just say digital product for this any set of files you can actually just upload it and write your title and description and boom, publish. Okay, and then you have the bundle. So sell two or more That's for the existing product you have, okay? And you want to make it cheaper for people to buy multiple products from you. And then you got services, which see some unique towards work of service to your customer. So you take commission from customer. And then you have call and you have coffee. Well, this is actually new, I think, coffee, right? You set your price and then boom, it's done. Now let's get rid of these two because currently I'm using Systeme. Why Systeme? Okay, got a feature and you see some why. So stop using different tools for every part of your online business. If you business. That's right. Be- Why? Because Systeme have it all in once. Okay, you got your sales funnels. That's connected to the email marketing. That's connected to your video or digital product course. Or that's connected to your blogs, which is a website. If you want to use, I don't recommend a blog for Systeme yet. Maybe they've improved now, and that connects to automation. Okay, so let's have a look. Add a few products. So let's say you have a course in there or it's a product you sell. We should have in the sale. You set up sale follows, okay, and you set up sale page. In that sale page settings, you can share it on the marketplace of Systeme within Systeme. So that's mean you can give anyone promoting a product percentage between any percentage you set yourself. Okay, so that's why affiliate program management mean there. So they can see your product and they can promote it for you. So they get a link, they promote it. So let's say you set for 50, then you sell some product for 100, you keep 50, and the Systeme will give that guy 50 because they got that management system there. Okay, so let's start with the sales funnels, email marketing, and then website builders. Okay, I'm not sure what they meant by that, but sales funnels and blog, they might meant website builder for that. So it actually is good, easy website builder. They have drag and drop. Okay, just similar to that we have in WordPress, which is called Elementor, right? Elementor, just drag and drop. Now, business automation, you can actually save your time actually because now you can send a welcome email or a regular email or newsletter, like one email a day or one email every few days. Also, when someone buys and send thank you email, you can automate that with Systeme, right? Now, evergreen webinars, that's also an option there if you are like sending through webinars, right? Online courses, blogging, sell product. So what this remind you guys, a click funnel, right? So I'm gonna share the price between these two. To be honest, if you are a starter, if you are just starting them, so just a product or course or something, then obviously, and you have a low budget, especially. ClickFunnels might have a bit more converted pages or landing page or capture lead page. That's would be a little bit better than Steamy. But honestly, past few months, Steamy keep adding a lot of landing page. Plus, you can create from scratch. You have the tool in your hand. Or you can hire someone else from Fiverr. I'm gonna leave the link in the bio if you're interested. These are guys who do specialize on designing high converting pages. So you have it in Fiverr, you have it in Upwork, you have the link in the description. Is my commission link, guys. I appreciate if you can use it. If you need someone to design you on or high converting the landing page or sale page with this to me. Now, so look, surprise, surprise. With to me, you can start for free to try and play around, right? So now but with a zero plan tier, you can get up to 2,000 email you can collect. You can send a limited email. Okay, there's no limit to that. Three sale funnels. Sales funnel steps 15. So if you do the math, if you are selling three different products, you can do that with a free plan. So 3 plus 5, if you do an upsell as well, right? More than enough if you sell three different products, okay? Now, blogs, so you get one, blog post, unlimited courses, one. So courses, let me just elaborate a bit more here. For courses, you upload one video there or a section for the course that's linked to one sales funnels. So in a course, you can have multiple modules. Okay, you can have different courses in one course actually, or can have different multiple modules. Okay, and with the student communities and all these guys, feel free to pause it or just click a bio. You can check the price before you sign up and sign up for it. Also, it's my affiliate link. If you use it, I appreciate it. Also, if you use my affiliate link and sign up to my newsletter, I have good surprise for you guys. I have free guide on starting launching a digital product or even promoting affiliate marketing with Systeme or any other product, especially Systeme. You can use that in different product. So feel free and use my affiliate link. Okay. Monthly plan. See, the starter plan is here, $97. Okay, get 333, while Systeme only is $77, and you get 10 cell funnels. Also, let me try something about domain name because this is matter. With the free plan, you can have actual one custom domain, and with starter plan, you can have three. And okay, they got unlimited domain names here. Okay, look, see like they change it now. Unlimited page, unlimited everything. Okay, fair enough. Because if you want everything with Steamy, okay, you can get it for $97. Same the price. Click funnel here. Okay. Uh, the difference mainly is the three brand work spaces that I've. Okay. Now, so these are tools how we can sell digital product. Okay. For more guide on integrating digital product, please check the video I made previously. I explain more. You can do through create through use ChatGPT and write the prompt, then use the outline or use a template from Canva, or you can buy ready-made one template from Creative Fabrica. Then from there you can add your content on the Canva, right? So from scratch. But you also can buy the PLR or Master Blister, right? So one of the products I have, it's a Mac Beginner here, a social media content guide I have. You can use it to learn and you can sell it. I also have Systeme courses, which is in the link in the bio. All this, the link will be in the bio. So if you find this valuable, make sure you like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.